everyone, welcome back to my channel, Crystal Stacy Designs. So today I'm going to make a baked potato with vegan crab dip and a sweet baked potato with apple and pineapples. First I had to wash my potatoes in apple cider vinegar and baking soda and let them soak for 15 minutes. And then I baked them in the oven, I believe at 400 for about 30 to 40 minutes. Then I set them to the side to cool. So I made a really easy crab and shrimp dip. So I mixed together the crab and the shrimp, seasoned that with Old Bay and a few other seasonings. And then I made the sauce, which was all dairy free, so the cream cheese, the cheeses, and the oat milk were all vegan. I mixed all that together. Then I added in the meat. Then that went in the oven for about 15 to 20 minutes. Once that was done, then I poured it over the potato. I didn't add any additional seasoning to the potato because it was seasoned enough through the sauce. And then I plated it with some zucchini with just some salt and pepper. And that was it. And it makes an easy and quick meal. So I started out with the savory, now it's time for the sweet. So I chopped up some apples and pineapples, put them in the pan with vegan butter and a little bit of brown sugar because of course the sweet potato, apples, and pineapples already are sweet and I'm trying to watch my sugar intake. So when I put them all together, it tasted really good because it tasted sweet like a dessert, but without as much sugar and the calories. So let me know what you think.